Jason Vieira here from Carousel Industries, coming at you live from Cisco Partner Summit 2019. I want to cover a couple of the really cool key announcements that came out from a technology perspective this week live from Vegas. First and foremost, a huge shout out to Amy Chang and the Cisco UC collaboration team. I really like what was announced around the Microsoft and Cisco integration. So, what does that announcement really mean? Well, at the end of the day, you walk into a conference room, you want to have that very simplistic, easy to use one single button, easy button experience. And historically, if you were trying to combine, say, Microsoft Skype or Microsoft Teams with a Cisco video endpoint, that was a very difficult thing to do. It required a lot of complexity in the back end with third-party integrations and just was not a seamless experience. So what has been announced is the ability to launch a Microsoft Teams meeting from your Touch 10 panel. So as part of that WebEx, RoomKit Pro series, the video solution from Cisco, to actually cross-launch that there and have the same experience you'd have if you were launching a native WebEx meeting. So I'm really excited to see what comes beyond this specific feature set, in terms of what Cisco and Microsoft are doing together. But I think it's a great step in the right direction. So kudos to Cisco for that. And then next, really want to talk about some stuff that Todd Nightingale on the Meraki team are brought to market. So one of the things I used to say when I was at Cisco was, one of the best kept secrets was this feature set called the Secure Group Tags, or SGTs. And SGTs really allow you to segment your network at a very granular level in hardware using, Cisco custom silicon that they've developed in-house. And so what's been announced there is Meraki's come to market with a new switching line. I believe it's the MS390. I probably got that wrong. That basically has that Cisco chipset embedded into it versus using third-party, Broadcom or something of that nature. And so being able to take that more advanced security capabilities and get better levels of visibility at the packet level and provide that segmentation, having those hardware capabilities ready and available for Meraki is huge, right? So you take the simplicity of the Meraki dashboard and all that brings, to the customers that exist out there, and then you add some of these more, enhanced security capabilities to the solution is really cool. So shout out to Meraki for that. The other one that I thought was really cool and interesting was the Meraki Cellular Gateway. So if you think about how you would traditionally connect to a cellular network, you might have firewall like a Meraki MX or Cisco router with embedded LTE. Well, this gateway allows you to take the gateway and physically put it somewhere else in the building where you actually have good cellular connectivity, because in many cases in that IDF or the dungeon, if you will, there's not great connectivity from a cellular perspective. So you would take that, put it there, extend it back via Ethernet down into your firewall or SD-WAN appliance, such as Meraki MX, or maybe Viptela SD-WAN appliance, or pretty much anything out there that you want to connect to, and you extend the network via cellular. And again, the cool part is it's all managed through that simplistic Meraki dashboard. So anyhow, thanks for taking the time to listen to my short video here. I got to catch a flight and get out of Vegas. If you can't tell, I'm a little tired. So thanks for listening, and I hope to talk to you all again soon.